What are you doing, Kapu? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You got a nice almond there. Huh? You got a nice almond. Yeah, it's a good almond. You just had a bath? Yeah, you did pretty good with that bath, you know. Yeah, you did pretty good. You got anything to say for yourself? Huh? What do you got to say for yourself? Oh, I'm a good boy, yeah. I'm a bird, 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 bird. Can you say that? Huh? Can you say I'm a bird? I'm a bird, 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 bird. I'm a bird, 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 bird. You're crazy. You're crazy. Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Just eating almonds. You're just eating the candy, the almonds, because you got your bath and you're getting a treat. Uh-huh. But that's okay. Yeah. Say hello. Hello. Goodbye.